your headlight on your F250, F350 moving around? Roadhouse is sponsored by Finley River Towing and Speedy's Industrial Coatings in Ozark, Missouri. Speedy's does all your media blasting and powder coating. Big or small, they do it all. Finley River Towing takes care of all your high-end to low-end towing needs. Call Finley River Towing if you're in the Ozark or Branson area. Tell them the Roadhouse sent you. Part number 42190. They snap on the back of these little clips. Let me show you. I am missing one there and over there. Okay, I got this one all the way to the back here, and this one as well, and then you just place these things straight down, just like that. This white clip there, you push it all the way in. That's the headlight pushing all the way in. Then you take the clip and you put it right in the put the clip in the very back of it to hold it in place. Snap in, real easy. This one's a little bit harder to get to, but there you go. Your headlight no longer moves. You press it down till it's around that plastic piece right there, and you are good to go. Doesn't move around anymore. Just so you know, the Dorman headlight retainers, those little clips, are about $6 and change for 2 of them at any of your local box stores. So I would buy them off of Amazon. You can get a lot more for your money if you buy them from Amazon. I want to thank everybody for watching, liking, subscribing, and as always, if you ride her hard, don't put her away wet.